we added a damper inside this air intake for the fume extractor. We made this out of aluminum sheet before. You can see it's not the fanciest. And added on a box for the blower control. So now we looked at the other existing arm, because this was all missing when we got this fume extractor arm. And the other one has a plastic one-piece damper inside. Here you can see we took some 3/8 bolts, put some 632 holes in 2 spots. This is made 2 of everything. Luckily, I tried threading with a self-tapper before I did the 632s. 632s worked a lot easier, and milled a 1/4 inch flat on the end for the lever control here. The lever control, the other oversight is put a radius on this end where the point was supposed to be on this end to show where the flow is going. Anyhow, we know stuff like that. It's going to be all right as is. We just blunted that tip. And trying to think of what else. So this fume extractor has a T, which means there are 2 fume extractors with the same blower hooked up. So being able to close a damper on one means more suction at the other. And as well, TIG welding, don't want the same level of fume extraction. Other oversight, we lost one of these little friction washers that go in here. On the arm, it fits into a little recess, so the diameter is critical. So we just made one out of masonite, made it up to width on the table saw first, and then used a hole saw to cut the outside diameter, and then open the hole up to 10 millimeter, whatever it is. And that's all we got on this one. So hopefully, if you're working on fume extractor projects, the other thing is, we basically just guessed at a center line here and here, and this piece of salvaged aluminum from an old sign, it was a hole saw slug from a 6-inch hole saw, and then we just took a little bit off the edges. And there's also a little spring in here and a metric washer, and then a 3/8 tensile lock nut, which adds a little attention to detail. So hopefully, if you're working on a project like this, that might help you a little bit as far as all the little pieces. It took me a while to think up how I was going to do this. I was thinking about throttle shafts and butterflies and all kinds of different things to make it quick and easy, and this is the easiest thing I came up with. So anyhow, until next time, thanks.